Hey, what's up everyone? Hope you're having a kick-ass day. Jason G, the yard guy here. It's that time. If you're new here, go ahead, click that subscribe button. You know, get stuff on pools, grass, you know, just stuff in the yard, right? Other family fun. Love to have you along, and it's free. So today is the day we're putting the pool up. It's time to get it done. All right, so this will be the third season that we're using the pool. You know, fingers crossed, no leaks, issues like that. I've stored it like this for obviously 2 seasons now, and I just roll it up as best as I can, shove it in a, you know, garbage can, throw a bag over the top, try to keep it all nice and neat. Now it's out, let it lay in the sun, warm up, it'll be easier to move around. Now I also, last year I didn't do this, but the first year when I leveled everything out in this area for the pool, you know, used a board with a level on it, sand, dug around, you know, dug out. You never want to build up, you dig out. So to dig out this side, it's a little taller than that side. You know, and then added some sand in there. And last year we had a couple low spots. So I grabbed 3 bags of sand. This year, filled all those in, cleaned the tarp off. And now we got the pool warming up. And hopefully I have all the other parts here. So that's the other thing about putting it up and taking it down every year. Got to keep it all together, right? And since this is the 3rd time I'm setting this up, I know that the skimmer goes over here, you know, the return line, inlet, all goes back there because that's where I keep the pump. So as long as I got that lined up, everything else will line up as well. So a lot of people have been asking me about the pool skimmer. So the skimmer, I take it off every year. Pretty cool. See right here's the hole. So I take it off, and then I wait until we get the pool back up and we start putting some water back in before I mount that back on there. Okay, so I finished putting the pegs in the slots, and Violet went around and put all the feet on the legs. Got it kind of situated in the spot. I was getting all the hoses and everything set up to start filling. And you know, we got to set up the redneck pool heater again, so that'll be cool. So I got a hose here, obviously hooked up there, then running here, and I took a hose and I spliced it, and then added a different fitting so I could connect, you know, female to female, because I have the pieces soldered on that. And yes, over the winter there must have been some water in one of the pipes, so we got some duct tape on it. You know, duct tape should work. So obviously you want to make sure you have your water running first before you light the fire. But I gotta get in the pool first and, you know, kick out the bottom and get it all situated before we turn on the water. All right, so we got the wrinkles out best we could in here. So now we're starting to fill it up now. Got the fire started over here. We got some leaks, but no big deal. Grass will get a little extra H2O in this area. maybe 7 hours to fill it up. I don't have it cranked open to the max. I kind of have it throttled down a little bit on the faucet, so we'll probably crank it up a little bit once the fire gets going a little bit, but now we just sit back and wait. But putting these pools together is pretty easy. You know, once you have the base figured out nice and level, everything is real easy after that. Now, we're gonna get, you know, once we get some water in the pool, we're gonna hook up the skimmer, the pump, filter, all that jazz. So make sure to subscribe, stick around. Let's get that put together too. So we're back to the pool. Filling it up. I wanted to show you this. I tried something new this year. Trying something new. So as you can see, this one, I still got the clamp on this side. So what I did was I took some vinyl fabric and plastic adhesive and basically put a whole bunch on the inside of there, clamped it up, let it sit overnight at least. So I did that with that one and that one. I just had a flexible hose with a T adapter that just was closed off, and it would collect algae, and I just wanted to kind of get rid of it. So I thought we'll try plugging these off somehow, and this is how I did it. So we'll see if this ruptures and dumps out a whole bunch of water or not. So far so good, but the bad news, I think there is a leak somewhere. So down here, we have some moisture. I mean, I have a tarp under this thing, so who knows where it could be coming from. So we're just gonna have to monitor the water level this summer and go from there. So I have to take off the screen that's on here. Oops. Obviously that collects and fills up with a lot of gunk, and so I just like to make sure this is all clean. This just helps everything last longer. So I take this over to the hose, rinse it out. All right, we got it quite a bit cleaned off there. Whoa.
Look out, I've got cat-like speed and reflexes.
So I'll just attach this back on here. Now we can start working on the pump. All right, so one of the things I like to do every year as well is see how dirty your sand filter gets. So I like to backwash this basically, and I just run the hose down in through here, let the water come back up through the top, and filter some of it out. So let's do that right now. So far it doesn't look too bad. Last year it was terrible. The cottonwood trees definitely cause an issue here. I mean, look at the yard. You see all that white stuff in the yard? It's from the cottonwood trees. That should be good. Get that back on the pool, keep that filling up. Well, it looks like we're going to be doing a rain delay. Today, significant weather advisory moving through the area right now. Possible 40-mile-an-hour wind gusts, pea-size hail. So, you know, got to take the electronics in the house, right? Pump should be okay. That's weatherproof, right? So, everything else can get wet. Should be okay. All right, so we're getting the pump hooked up now because the water is up to that line.
I'm here too.
Violet's here too.
Yes.
So I get this part hooked up.
This is plugged. Is this supposed to be plugged?
Yeah, that's new. I did that.
Oh. There's bugs everywhere.
Can you hand me the small, short hose like this?
This?
Short one. Shorter. No. Should be like this big.
Oh, okay.
Should be in here.
And this one?
Oh,
this is the vacuum.
Yeah.
Stuff.
No, it's in this one. It's down there.
Oh, this.
Yep.
I wanted to see if there was like a pop tube. I was wrong.
All right, you can hold the camera then. All right, so this piece goes here. I mean, just follow the instructions for your pump. It gets easier every year as you do it.
The pool looks so pretty.
Yeah.
Mhm. Peppers is coming. Come on. Oh, she's over there. She's about to climb.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can tell, but dog. It's not that bad. Is it okay if I stick my hand and feet in it?
No.
Why?
Because there's chemicals in it.
So am I gonna die?
Yep.
No. Run me the Ratatouille. Sorry, in my class we watched Ratatouille today.
Careful, I might get a copyright strike on this.
Oh no. I'm gonna go, yeah, Remy, yeah. Remy's great, yeah, yeah. Coconut, what are you doing up there? Ow, I just stepped on a hard, pointy rock. What are you doing up there? Why is it taking you so long to just plug in this pump?
Hey.
It's a pump. There it goes.
All right, so now we're getting the skimmer on the side. You can see a link to this install video when I first installed it. Link it up here, but you know, this is the third time that I'm putting it on, so works good. Oh no, I dropped one. That's the worst part.
I can grab it.
You might have to. Eventually, we got to get it out of there.
Oh, it just kind of tickles.
Mm-hmm.
I'm trying to get the screw out again. Can I stand on this, or would that not be good?
You probably shouldn't.
Okay. Right this way. Headphone warning.
Yeah.
Never give up.
Nope.
It keeps getting so close.
Here, let me try.
Wait, one more.
All right, one more.
No. One more. Please.
It's like the worst part about putting the skimmer on is you might drop a screw. And yes, you want to have water in your pool before you put the skimmer on. That way, you know, the liner is tight. You won't have any issues. You know, lined up the perfect holes that were there from years before, and perfect.
I got it!
Woo! Good job, Violet.
One time I could like touch the screw, but it fell back in. It was so sad.
All right, so a lot of people ask me how this comes. So this part here came on the kit. This thread's inside there, and then there's like the barb piece on the outside here. Now this hose came with the pump. All I've ever done is this. I just pushed the hose on there about an inch. Never had any problems. You can see where I've had it last year from the sun fading. But that's it. I just push it on there. Never had any leaks from there at all. So, you know, knock on wood, I guess. We don't have any leaks there this year too, so. Now we get to power up the pump once the water level gets into the skimmer. So now we just wait. All right, so we got the pump running now, and looks like I gotta tighten up the collar here. There's a little bit of a leak over on this side right here, so I'll tighten that up quick. But looks like it stopped leaking here, so that's good. And we're starting to get cleaned already. Looks like I gotta empty that skimmer out already too. Yeah. Got all this cotton pecking cottonwood. Look at it. Look at it. Would you look at that? Oh yeah. See, we need more rain yet too. It's getting a little dehydrated. It's already 11 a.m. and it's like 85 degrees. It's hot. I'm gonna get this collar tightened up and take care of those leaks. What the heck? All right, so we just about took care of the leaks. I might need to shut it down and shuffle things off around. But we'll see how it goes. These spots here, those are still holding, so, you know, subscribe if you think they won't hold, and I'll let you know. So this one's holding good too. We're getting clean. I might put the cleaner in there now. I've got an Intex pool cleaner, the automatic pool cleaner. You can see that video right up here. And you know, look, I just want to, you know, thanks for watching this video. This is this Hayward Skimmer video. I'll put that up here. It's one of my most watched videos. So appreciate everyone liking. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I'll do what I can. I'm not a pro, just a, you know, DIY dad guy, you know, doing it up in the yard. But hey, I really appreciate it. So, you know, any questions, leave a comment down below. You know, smash that like button, subscribe, hit the bell. See everyone in the next video.